Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your iPhone. First, it's crucial to back up all your important data. You can use iCloud or connect to your computer for a full backup. Next, make sure to sign out of all your Apple accounts, including iCloud, iTunes, and the App Store. This prevents any data from being linked to your device after the erase. Also, ensure your iPhone has at least 50% battery life to complete the process smoothly. Now, let's start the erase process. Open your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General, then look for Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, select Erase all content and settings. Your iPhone will then prompt you to confirm this action. You'll need to enter your device passcode and your Apple ID password to proceed, ensuring only you can authorize this significant step. Once you confirm, your iPhone will begin the erase process. This action permanently deletes all your personal data, including photos, videos, contacts, and installed applications. Your device will revert to its original factory settings, just as it was when you first unboxed it. If you signed out of your Apple ID, activation lock will also be disabled. The entire process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes to complete. After the erase is complete, your iPhone will restart and present the familiar Hello screen. This signifies that all content and settings have been successfully removed. Your device is now completely wiped and ready for new owner, or for you to set it up as a brand new device. If you're selling it, this ensures the next user can activate it without any problems. Remember to handle any physical SIM cards appropriately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.